Wix template tutorial for beginners, how to use Wix templates. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily choose, use, set up, customize and do a lot of different things with Wix templates. So they provide us the opportunity to interact with them. We can easily create different types of websites, online stores, portfolios, blog and so on. So let's get started. We just simply need to click on get started on wix.com, and in a few seconds after a small registration we'll come to this page where we can easily manage all of our websites. So in this case we are going to create a new one, and all we need to do is just simply click on create new site in the right top, and in a few seconds we'll come to the next page where we need to describe our website. What kind of website are you creating? We have a couple of options like online store, portfolio, blog, and we can also search for different topics, but in my case I recommend you to click on skip in the right bottom corner. So after like a lot of different pages like this, we'll come to the last one where we need to click on begin with a template right up here. This small blue text, it's much easier to start with it. So we'll come to our page with all of the templates Wix provides us the opportunity to use. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates. We can find a lot of pages we can switch to. But what is interesting is that to make it easier to find the most suitable one, Wix provides us the opportunity to interact with different categories. As you can see, we have business and services, store, creative, community, blog, all templates and blank templates. So it depends on your choice, on your purposes, and let's say that you want to create business and services website about beauty and hair and about makeup. So we can choose it right here, and then we'll be able to see only website templates according to this sphere. The same stuff we can go to store, for example, beauty and wellness, and we'll be able to find this stuff here. So like products, services, and so on. The same thing with creative. For example, if you want to create a website for photographer, designer, maybe creative person like performing arts, something like this. As you can see, nothing hard. You can just simply switch between different categories. Also like educational websites, communities, events, and blog. Here we have a personal blog, food and travel, news and business, arts, fashion, and so on, which is pretty cool. And also, if you don't want to use the templates, we can always use a blank templates. We only have a structure inside, and all you have to do is just simply add content on this website. For example, on the typical templates, we'll have to change content, and there we just simply need to add content. So yeah, let's say that we want to use template for our personal blog. You can choose any kind of website template you'd like to use. I would like to use this one here. So we have two options. We can edit and view. I recommend you to click on view. In this case, you'll be able to see all the pages, to see all the sections on your website. How will it look like after you'll change content and so on. We can switch between different pages. For example, here we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pages. And also, what is important to know about Wix, that it's totally responsive for different devices. So here we have a phone device, like PC device, and also it's organized for laptops. It's really cool because in this case it will be more optimized for SEO. For example, people can use it from different devices, so it will be easy for search results to index our website. And in order to start with it, we need to click on edit this site in the right top, and this template will be used as a basic template for our website. So if you want to know what does it means that now we can easily manage structure, manage wall design, manage elements, and we can launch it just in a few seconds. So firstly, every single template is created from different pages. We need to click on pages and menu on our editor to see all the pages. We have home, blog, about, resources, and contact. From this page here, you can easily interact with every single page. We can delete, open this page, or create a new page by simply clicking on add page in the bottom of the screen. So here we also have like about page, services, projects, contact, general, landing page, blank page, store, bookings, blog, pricing plans, and so on. Also, you need to know that we can change general things such as color palette, font pack, and animations. In order to do it, we need to click on site design right up here, then go to color theme, change color theme, and now we can change it in a different way, as you can see, or we can change just separate colors. For example, this one here, we can change it to yellow, yeah, like this. The same thing we can do, we can change a text theme, we can go to change text theme and here choose something like this. So yeah, nothing hard, and as you can see, all the changes were added like automatically. And of course, I think you know that every single website contains from different sections: header, this section here, this section here. We can also add an additional sections if it's necessary. So if I'm going to open, for example, a home page, we can easily add some additional sections. So let's open it like homepage, and here we can click on add a section. We can add welcome, about, team, contact, promotion, services, subscribe, testimonials, clients, and so on. So if you want to use and if you want to do that, you can just simply click on add a section and do it like this. The same thing, you can delete sections, move them up, move them down. So nothing hard, just simply start to do this. And in order to publish our website after editing, we just simply need to click on publish in the right top, click on save and continue. And it may take a little time until everything will be uploaded. Now we can click on done. And as you can see, we'll get the link like this. We can view site with this link, and we can now easily share it with our subscribers, clients, friends, and so on. So yeah, as you can see, nothing hard in order to interact with the templates on Wix. But what is more interesting is that if you'll open our dashboard right up here, we can then manage a lot of other things. For example, as I already said, we can manage CEO settings. We can go to marketing and CEO, then go to CEO and optimize our website for Google search and other search engines. Also, we can manage analytics and reports, see traffic overview, real-time things, sales overview, marketing overview, behavior overview, and so on. And if you want to see more in-depth tutorials about Wix, for example, how to set up CEO, how to use editor for 100%, you can find some additional tutorials on my channel in this playlist down below. So yeah, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out and it made your life a little bit easier. If it is, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day and goodbye, guys.